26, 27, 28 এই 4 দিনে আমরা নতুন দিশা প্রকল্প নামে একটা প্রকল্প ঘোষণা করি।
নতুন দিশা, a new direction to the education system of Tripura. However, in order to enhance the status of education in the state government has launched several programs like Natun Disha. Natun Disha is an initiative to assess academic level of school students and abide to improve the educational status of Tripura. The state government has announced Natun Disha, or New Direction, an initiative aimed at assessing the academic level of students between class 3 to 8.
Remedial teaching. The Education Department organized remedial teaching to enhance the all-round development of slow learners at elementary level whose performance falls below 35% in accordance with CCE grading. NISTA is a capacity building program for improving quality of school education through integrated teacher training. It aims to build competencies among all the teachers and school principals at the elementary stage of Tripura.
ये ट्रेनिंग प्री प्राइमरी टीचर्स के लिए ही नहीं, प्राइमरी टीचर्स, उसके बाद हेडमास्टर्स और की रिसोर्स पर्सन्स के लिए भी अरेंज किया गया है। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा एक बहुत बड़ा विजन लेकर चल रही है कि वो चाहती है कि पूरे एजुकेशन जो है प्राइमरी का वो एक 360 डिग्री टर्न अराउंड ले ले। इन 5 दिन की ट्रेनिंग में लगभग 15 डिसिप्लिन कवर हो रहा है, जिसमें स्टोरी टेलिंग के माध्यम से कैसे पढ़ाना है, स्पोर्ट्स के माध्यम से कैसे पढ़ाना है और बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं, जिसमें कुल मिलाकर हमारे पास 15 डिसिप्लिन्स हैं। हमें उम्मीद है कि जब ये टीचर्स स्कूल में वापस जाएंगे तो इन सभी जो यहाँ से उन्होंने लर्न किया है उसको क्लास में रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन में उसको वो अडेप्ट कर सकेंगे।
Vocational Summer Camp. For the improvement of learning level of the students and development of skill of the identified slow learners by using the inner potentiality, creativity of the teachers for mental development of the students.
It's summertime, summertime. It's summertime. Let's go to the beach and play with tambourine. Get some pictures clicked with photo bombing scene. It's summertime, It's summertime. Let's bathe in the pool and splash some water cool. Lick on those lollies, oh that will be so cool.
Pariksha Parv. Students in schools experiences high stress during examination, especially during their board examination. Considering the seriousness of the nature of incidents, the Education Department, instructed by NCPCR, had also launched a month-long campaign, Pariksha Parv, during the exam period from 19th February to 15th March 2019 to change the outlook and perspective of children towards exams. Centralized exam units. Under this, achievement and academic performance of the students can be assessed through setting up of a standard question paper of the test examination conducted by the schools. This entire project has been a huge and grand success in the field of education.